Okay, it's recording now.
Okay. First thing is you got to have the wheel on backwards from what you do when you're face grinding. You're mounting with the abrasive to the left.
Okay.
Mount the blade the same way that you would when you were sharpening.
It's basically the same in the foley too, right?
In the what?
In the foley. The foley machine.
Oh yeah, everything's exactly the same. It's just that, you know, you gotta loosen this one so you can lock in the finger. Make it easy to see. Got to get your finger in. Adjustment finger. Okay?
Okay. What purpose does the finger serve, Ken?
It's a stop for the tooth, so that each one is the same angle. Okay, then we lock the finger in place. Now what you're going to do is you're going to swing this alright, this is an alternate tooth, so this is 10 degrees. Set it on 10 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. What you have to do is line up your tooth with the, with the 10 degree, the one with the finger in it. Okay?
Okay.
Lock everything down. And this you had loose so you could spin this. So now everything's locked down. That's the first one. Click, click. Over 2.
Okay.
Click, click. Click, click.
So that holds it right in place.
It holds it the same. So every tooth is the same. Every other tooth. Now this blade I've used.
Right. It's out of. Yeah, I get the idea.
Okay, and then you drop down at 10 degrees the other way.
Okay.
And you have to make an adjustment as far as in and out goes. So we started back here. Alright, now we're going to go to the next tooth, which is the down bevel. But you see the difference, the gap in here?
Yes, I see.
And that's because you switched the thing. So what you have to do is bring this back up.
Okay. Okay, until it just touches.
Until it's touching.
Okay.
And take a cut.
Now, what other kind of blade is it besides the alternate tooth? Some of them are just straight, right?
Some of them are 90 degrees. And you do the same thing. Now, to make sure that your teeth are the same length from this to this.
Right.
You put this gauge on.
Right. Remember that too, yeah.
So, sits on the high point of the tooth, and give it a little bit of pressure. Okay, and then you can set your dial to whatever you want. You know, you want to set it back to 0, that's fine. Okay, so that tooth is 0. So when you click the next tooth, this is a 4/1000ths off. But we don't know, you know, what we did to start with,
Right.
because and that's how you make make sure that the teeth are the same.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And that's it. It's easy stuff.
Yeah. But you, for the most part, you don't use it.
I don't.
Yeah.
Unless I have a very good blade that has some chips out of it right near the top of the tooth.
Right.
Deeper chips that you can't get with the face grind.
Right.
Then you top grind.
Okay.
Or if the guy's bitching that he's getting feather edge.
Okay.
On a fine cutting blade.
Right.
That's generally a problem with the top.
Okay. But some of them are just a straight.
Some of them are just a straight 90 degrees, and you just set it on 90 degrees. They're the easy ones.
Yeah. And for the most part, are they alternate bevel, or I can't remember.
Yeah, they're either triple chip, which I don't do, although you can. But what happens with the triple chip, you know, the third chip is a bevel at the top.
Right.
What you do is you wear down that bevel.
Right.
And if you top sharpen 3 or 4 times, then you no longer have a triple tooth.
Okay.
A triple chip.
Okay. Now, how would you tell if it's triple chip? It's the.
That's the alternate, and the one in the middle is a 90 degree with
two slanted edges.
Right.
But you can do the face. You do the face on them also.
Yeah. I got a triple chip out here. I just did. You can take a look.